In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download movies or TV shows on Disney Plus for offline viewing. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So this is a super simple thing to do, guys. Once you come over to Disney Plus, what you want to go ahead and do is find the TV show or movie you want to go ahead and download. So for this example, I'll go ahead and click on Star Wars The Mandalorian, and then what you want to go ahead and do is click on that, and then as you can see with TV shows, you will have to go ahead and download these individually as episodes. But if I go back now and I'll just click on Mulan as the next one, as you can see the download button is right there at the top, right next to the plus sign. And if you want to go ahead and download a movie or TV show, all you need to do is simply click on that button. And then as you can see, it is now started downloading. So if you go to the downloads tab down at the bottom, you can see like how long it's got left to download and things like that. And then once it's fully downloaded and everything, you will be able to go ahead and watch these movies or TV shows offline. Without any internet connection. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please don't leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.